Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are exploring Avyan AI, the folks who live by the motto build smarter, move faster.
I'm really pumped for this. The idea of practical AI that's not just for show, but actually delivers is, well, wow.
Absolutely. What really caught my eye is how they blend over 2 decades of data and cloud expertise into the realm of generative
Yeah,
AI. It's like they're not just playing with buzzwords, they're building on solid foundations.
right. And that foundation is what makes the whole approach so trustworthy, especially when companies are trying to figure out how to adopt AI in their operations.
Exactly. Whether you're exploring, experimenting, or fully implementing AI, Avian's got a suite of solutions that are both powerful and practical.
Let's talk about their core offerings. They've got enterprise RAG chatbots. And I love the idea behind RAG. That's retrieval augmented generation, right?
Yes, it's like this. Imagine a support team lost in a sea of documents, old PDFs, and scattered wikis. Avian's chatbots can, instantly pick the right answer from that mess.
Um,
It delivers consistent, real-time support.
that's super useful, especially for organizations drowning in legacy content. But uh, what about their work on LLM fine tuning? How do you see that fitting into the picture?
Oh, it's brilliant. Think of a general-purpose AI model as an undergraduate. By fine-tuning it on your specific domain,
Right.
it's like giving it an MBA. This transformation turns it into a true specialist, exactly tuned to high-context, industry-specific challenges.
And then we get into their autonomous AI agents. Now, these aren't just chatbots carrying on simple Q&A, are they?
No, not at all. These agents, built using frameworks like LangGraph, Crew AI, and MCP, manage multi-step business workflows, almost like
Yep.
virtual coworkers. Imagine an agent that can handle an entire process. It's a game changer for enterprise operations.
It is fascinating. But I have a small challenge here. Wouldn't putting so much trust in autonomous agents sometimes backfire, especially when unpredictable real-world scenarios come into play?
That's a fair point. However, Avyan counters that with, well, rigorous prompt engineering and hallucination reduction techniques.
Um,
They design context-aware prompts that keep the system's outputs reliable and trustworthy, even in complex scenarios.
Speaking of prompt engineering, I find it interesting how they incorporate low-code AI with tools like N8N. Not every business can deploy a massive developer team.
Exactly, it's like making AI accessible. They use drag-and-drop tools to build AI workflows, so even companies with limited coding skills can benefit from advanced AI functionalities.
Right.
It dramatically lowers the barrier to entry.
And let's not forget the real hidden backbone, data engineering. All these systems depend on high quality data.
Yes, data readiness is key. Avian ensures data is cleaned, properly labeled, and structured. Not to mention,
Absolutely.
they manage cloud-native architectures to help clients move from outdated systems into scalable, AI-ready setups.
That comprehensive approach really stands out. So, beyond just the technical marvels, what about their strategic services?
Good question. They don't just drop off tech and leave you to figure it out. Avian offers strategic AI, consulting and governance that covers everything from road mapping AI strategy, proof of concepts, to training and upskilling
Yep.
teams. It's all about ensuring that technology aligns with business outcomes.
Which is critical because without the right strategy, even the best tech can fall flat. And what about their tech ecosystem versatility? That really makes them versatile, doesn't it?
For sure, they work across a broad swath of platforms: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Microsoft Azure, AWS, Meta, IBM Watson, NVIDIA. Imagine that. It's like a full buffet of AI tools. They can integrate with everything from LangChain to Pinecone,
Um,
TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face, and even N8N.
so there's an ecosystem that supports practically any deployment scenario. I guess that leads us into the different engagement models Avian offers, right?
Exactly. They give you, three main ways to work with them: staff augmentation, project-based delivery, and managed
Right.
services. So you can integrate their experts directly into your team for short-term needs or give them full responsibility for an AI or data function if you need a complete overhaul,
That flexibility is gold. You can tailor the support to exactly what your organization requires at that moment.
right? And each model is designed to deliver real business outcomes. For instance, take their case studies. They've enabled AI-driven software development by creating an entire agent framework from requirements gathering to DevOps.
Yeah, wow. And that isn't all. They've also built RAG chatbots for customer support that deliver on brand, accurate responses without drifting off topic, which is a big plus for any customer facing operation.
Totally. Not to mention, they've ventured into energy forecasting using machine learning. By analyzing smart meter data with ensemble models, utilities can optimize energy demand and operations.
Yep,
That's real-world impact.
it's almost like they're proving every niche with tangible examples. But do you think that the promise of practical AI that works might sometimes get lost in the hype of generative models?
I get your point. There's always a risk of technology being more flash than substance.
Um,
But with Avian, the focus is clearly on practical value and business outcomes, which sets them apart from the usual AI hype.
that's reassuring because sometimes the flashy claims mask the real challenges like model drift or scalability issues.
Right. And by emphasizing aspects like data engineering, prompt design, and strategic consulting, they're tackling those challenges head on. They really seem to
Absolutely.
understand that technology must work within a practical framework to add value.
And their dual focus on both the technical and strategic sides means they are not only building powerful tools, but also ensuring that organizations can integrate them smoothly.
Exactly. It's almost like they're providing both the vehicle and the roadmap for a smooth journey
Yep,
into AI adoption. And when you look at it, everything, RAG chatbots, LLM fine-tuning, autonomous agents, strategic consulting, and diverse engagement models comes together to form a complete ecosystem.
sure does. And speaking of ecosystems, it really reminds me of how layered and interconnected modern AI systems have become. Each layer, from data readiness to workflow automation, plays a critical role.
Absolutely. Um, it's like building a house. Without a strong foundation, the fancy interiors won't hold up.
Um,
Avian's data engineering is that foundation upon which everything else hinges.
that analogy fits perfectly. In today's fast paced business environment, having a scalable, reliable foundation is more important than ever.
Exactly, and the fact that they offer low-code tools means there's a way to get cutting-edge AI even if you don't have a full tech department.
Right.
It democratizes access to advanced AI, making it a lot more feasible for a range of businesses.
Demanding a lot less on resources while still delivering high performance. That's the dream for many organizations.
Yep, and with their engagement models, whether you need a small boost or a full-scale transformation, Avian seems ready to plug into almost any
Um,
scenario. They really cover all the bases from strategic planning to technical deployment.
it almost makes you wonder how soon can businesses implement these solutions and see the benefits in action?
Well, with project-based delivery that has fixed timelines and outcomes, many clients see a swift transition from experimentation to operational success.
Right.
So the time to value is significantly reduced.
That's impressive, especially when you consider the speed at which competitive markets move these days.
Exactly. It's all about moving faster in a world where, innovation waits for no one. Avian's practical AI solutions are addressing immediate business challenges while also being scalable for the
Yep.
future.
I think for anyone looking to integrate AI into their business and really see impact fast, Avian's approach is, well, a solid blueprint.
No doubt about it. Our deep dive today really highlights that Avyan AI builds on expertise, versatility, and a very practical delivery model that businesses can trust.
Absolutely. Thanks for the insightful discussion. It's been a great look into how practical, well engineered AI solutions are the future.
And thank you for joining this conversation. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring how practical AI can really transform businesses.